Hello all. Today we see about pronoun. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. Please go through the example. Mary is one of the heads of the TOJI Corporation. Mary works with Mr. James and Mr. Jameson's Tom. So instead of that, we use the pronoun as she. Mary, we use as she. And for Tom, we use he. Personal pronouns. It refers to a person, I, you, they, he, we. The word it refers to an object. You can see here the first person, second person, and the third person. For a singular subject, the first person is I. The second person is you. The third person could be he, she, or it. Please go through the exercise. Thank you.